Hey you guys, welcome to a new episode of Food and the Single Guy with me, your very own Amaru. Now on this episode of Food and the Single Guy, I will be making yet another dish from the homeland, a dish from the Javanese cuisine, and it's called Sambal Goreng Kentang manis. This is a requested video, by the way. Don't ask me who requested this video, I don't remember, but it is a requested video. Now, Sambal Goreng Kentang manis is a spicy peppery side dish made with hot peppers, of course, and julienne potatoes or shoestring potato sticks. Now, as far back as I can remember, we have always used the store-bought shoestring potato sticks, but if you feel adventurous enough, you can julienne your own potatoes and make your own shoestring potato sticks. Now, as per me, I will be listing all of the ingredients below, so without further ado, let us continue. Okay, you guys, and now for some of the ingredients for this dish. What I have here is the shrimp paste powder, also known as trasi. I have a chicken stock cube. We have the gula jawa, which is Japanese palm sugar. I have 3 of these deliciously hot peppers. I have a small onion. We have some tomato paste. We have the galangal root. We're going to chop this off and then we're going to crush it to release the flavor. And then over here I have my 3 cloves of garlic. We have the shoestring potato sticks. This is what they look like. And last but not least, we have the Indonesian bay leaves, also known as daun salam. Okay? Alright, now you guys, before we continue, I want to introduce you to my Chinese wok, and those of you that have been with me long enough may recognize this wok. And as you can see, my wok is very shiny. That is because every time you use a wok, if you have a wok like this one, you have to season it with a droplet of vegetable oil. That is to prevent it from rusting. Now you guys, what I have here is my onion and garlic and pepper mix, which I have chopped in my chopper into a nice paste. This is what it looks like. Let me show you up close. There we go. See? So, now that I have everything ready, we can continue with the cooking. Okay, you guys, before I turn on the cooker hood, I want to show you a couple of things. Right here, I have my galangal root, which I have crushed, as I mentioned earlier. And the reason you crush it is to release the flavor. What I have here is about a tablespoon of the Japanese palm sugar, and it comes in a clump like this. I chopped it up with a knife, so this is about a tablespoon, alright? And what we're also going to add to the pan in a minute is the onion and the pepper and the garlic mix, also known as bumbu, alright? So now we're going to add a sufficient amount of oil to the pan. Here we go. So as soon as the oil is hot, we're going to infuse it with a little bit of the shrimp paste powder. Here we go. And the Indonesian bay leaves, as well as the galangal root. Now you guys, a couple of things. Give this a continuous stir for about a minute and don't cook this on high heat. Alright? So next I'm going to add the pepper. So I've just added my bumbu and I'm going to give it a good stir. So next we're going to add a little bit of tomato paste. There we go. And a droplet of water. And of course we're going to give this a good stir. So next we're going to add the gula jawa. And the water is going to help the sugar dissolve. You can also use brown sugar if you so desire. I'm going to continue to season this with a chicken stock cube. And of course we're going to give that a good stir. And when I tell you this smells delicious, you guys, let me tell you. Alright, let's do a taste test. Oh my gosh. Oh. Lord have mercy. Ooh. You guys, this is good. This is good. Woo. Aye. Okay, you guys, so last but definitely not least, we are going to add the shoestring potato sticks, like so. And of course, we are going to give it a good stir. So now you're gonna turn up the heat, and you're gonna allow the potato sticks to crisp up a little bit because they have soaken up all of the juices of the bumbu. So you want to keep on frying them until they're somewhat crispy again. Okay, you guys, I think this is ready for the final presentation. So there you have it. This is what your Sambal Goreng Kentang manis should look like when it's all done. And I happen to have some right here. And I can tell you that this container was full last night. Yeah. You'd better not tell nobody but God. Anyways, you guys, if you decide to try this one yourself, let me know how it turns out because I'm always interested in hearing from you. It smells so good. In the meantime, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy eating, happy weekend, and I will speak to you when I speak to you. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.